Headlamps are an essential tool that helps us accomplish both tasks at work and leisure activities. These include car repairing, navigating through dark unlit basements, night trekking, spelunking, and many others. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical headlamps on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Slonic 1000 Lumen Headlamp. As I looked for a highly durable, adjustable 1000 lumen rechargeable tactical headlamp for an affordable price, I came across the Slonic 1000 Lumen device. Featuring constant lighting technology, the headlamp contains 2 Creo LEDs with varying brightness and distance modes. The brightest, most intense beam can reach up to 600 feet under the right conditions. Slonic 1000 Lumen is a rechargeable headlight that doesn't need to be disassembled just to swap batteries compared to other headlamps. Instead, simply plug a USB cord and recharge. This headlamp is also one of the most durable out there. It has maximum water protection of IPX8 rating, which means using this headlamp for prolonged underwater dives. The headlamp is also made of tough aircraft grade 6063 aluminum alloy, which has good corrosion resistance and strength. This makes the Slonic 1000 Lumen a heavy-duty, all-around headlight. Yet, it is surprisingly lightweight and comfortable. The gear makes long hours of wear a breeze with a weight of 4 ounces and a snug nylon headband. Number 2. Foxeley MX20 Headlamp Flashlight. For those who are looking for a headlamp that is cost-worthy as a gift, look no further. Foxeley MX20 emits a bright light that can reach up to 50 meters. Ideal for early morning runs and late-night treks, and is usable as a headlamp for spas. MX20 headlamp features 5 brightness options: maximum brightness, average, minimum, red night vision mode, and SOS mode. The maximum output emits 165 lumens that can reach up to 50 meters. The red light helps preserve night vision without blinding other people at night. The great thing about this headlamp is its battery life. I once used this to compare it to other headlamps of the same price in terms of light levels and run times. I preferred the MX20 because of its longevity. 3 AAA batteries power this headlamp for a maximum burn time that almost reaches 50 hours. Surprisingly, this is also one of the IPX5 rated headlamps in the market today. Its contemporary and compact design provides it with good water resistance that can withstand a steady jet of low-pressure water, ideal for damp cave spelunking and shallow water diving. The headlamp is also lightweight, which makes it less strenuous to wear. You can barely notice its weight while wearing it, which is ideal to use as a running headlamp. Number 3. Kozu's Bright LED Headlamp. Any outdoor enthusiast surely needs one of these in their arsenal. Kozu's Bright LED IR headlamp works best when used in an outdoor setting, like when you go for a night biking trip, camping, mountaineering, and other outdoor activities. This tactical headlamp helped me navigate through dark tunnels when biking and through forests at night, as its beam distance is adjustable for close range and long range beams that can reach up to 300 feet. Furthermore, the light can be adjusted for a closer yet wider beam to look for something in a pitch dark setting. The headlamp has 4 light modes: high, low, strobe light, and SOS. It is powered by a rechargeable battery which, when fully charged, can last approximately around 3 to 5 hours, depending on how you use it. Another great feature of this headlamp is the 90 degrees adjustable lamp head. Hence, it allows you to orient the direction of the light to be either close to your feet or a few meters ahead of you. The head doesn't wobble around and stays in place after positioning. Furthermore, I benefit from the IP55 water-resistant certification of this headlight. It allows ultimate protection against water splashes. Number 4. Nidiker NU20 Rechargeable Headlamp. Probably one of the best military-grade headlamps in the market today, Nidiker NU20 Rechargeable Headlamp boasts an output of 360 lumens, which is ideal for hands-free deep cave explorations and pitch-dark adventures. The feature I like most about this rechargeable tactical headlamp is its compact and lightweight design. In addition, the headlamp uses a built-in rechargeable battery instead of the traditional dry cell batteries. The headlamp can be used for about 100 hours in the lowest light mode when fully charged. Not having dry cell batteries is also one reason why the headlamp's weight is barely noticeable. The military-grade headlamp also features a Cree XPG2S3 LED light. This small but powerful headlamp has an output of up to 360 lumens, which means its light can reach 87 yards. Turbo light mode produces the brightest light, but it burns out the battery a lot faster than the other modes. For everyday tasks and activities, high light mode, 220 lumens, and mid light mode, 40 lumens, are what I recommend. Also, the headlamp can be conveniently operated using a single button to switch between the light modes. This headlamp also has a high IPX level of 7, which means it has pretty high water resistance. This makes it ideal for wet caves wherein there is water trickling from the cave ceilings or repairing water pipes under poor lighting conditions. Number 5. Myri Ultra Bright XML 3000 Lumen Tactical Headlight, probably one of the best mechanic headlamps out there. The XML 3000 Lumen headlight features an adjustable headband that comfortably fits different head sizes. Also, this headlight can be mounted on hard hats because of the elastic strap, which is ideal for handymen and mechanics. This headlamp also features 3 beam modes with a built-in zoom function. The beam modes compose of a high beam, medium beam, and strobe light. The zoom out function works well if you want to widen the area of illumination and zoom in if you want it to be in a more focused point. The lamp's head can be tilted 90 degrees to change it to your preferred direction. I usually bend the lamp head downward when I am going on night walks to illuminate the sidewalks, thus avoiding tripping on rough edges. That's just one of the advantages of having a tiltable lamp head. The headlamp has an ergonomic single-button operation that makes it easy to use even for those unfamiliar with headlamps. Additionally, the headlamp is made of aluminum alloy, making it sturdy and will not break easily, even if the headlamp falls from a height of up to 1 meter. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.